Welcome to Dipansh Video Time. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a simple red light, green light game in Scratch. I have a simple player we can play with here, a small little player. So this will be the game. The Scratch Cat is the doll and it will go. So let's just see how we can make it red light, green light. Okay. So let's just take main game. Oops, server is scratching its head. Some scratch games have been deleted. Some of these scratch games. So we have to find one which isn't deleted. There's Squid game. There we go. Okay. So here we have the game. Okay, so we won't need the sound. Okay.
Green light. Red light.
So let's
Green light. Red light. Green light. Red light.
we have to we need to find out how to make the head turning, and then we have to make some broadcast which will make our player die and win. Okay, so we now know how to create it. Let's create it. Okay, so here we have our Frank. Let's go to Frank. So when green flag clicked, go to this position. Go to x of -244 and a y of -11. Forever, you can create movement code for up, down, left, and right. Key right arrow, key left arrow is pressed. Key right arrow and key left arrow are pressed. Then we can change x by 2 and change x by -2. And we don't want our player to go there as fast as he can, right? I had an idea of where we can put walls, but yeah, let's just not do it. Then we can add key up arrow press and a key down arrow press. Now for everything, we have to change it by -1 and 1 only, okay? Okay, change y by 1 and change y by -1 also. Okay, let's try that out. Okay, so this is kind of a hack for gaming. Okay, down, go. Because it goes faster when you go down actually, as you can see. Boom, boom. And then after each 2 seconds, you have to stop. Let's try to find the main sound of the game, okay? So let's play it a second to see if it was safe. Yeah, it got safe. We can put the main sound, Squid game song. No, not this one, not the instruments, but when we say it. Oh, okay, let's just pick any song. Okay, that was Squid Game song. This one. Okay, let's just put it with no sound. Like here we can go to the sound section and find which one has a sound. Okay, so I think I know how to do it. So now we can just go to the main game. Let's, instead of a song, let's just put a timer on it. Like if the timer reaches 0 and we still move, and we have to just put the head turn around, and then we'll win. So there will be no sound in that. Okay. Make a new variable timer. First we can fill it with red. Make it go to 0, 0. A big one timer. Okay, instead of 5, we can put 3 seconds. 3, duplicate this. 2, duplicate this. 1, duplicate this, and 0. Stop. So 3, 2, 1, stop. 3, 2, 1, stop. Then we wait for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, stop. Wait for 5 seconds. Wait, 3, 2, 1, stop. Okay. So now we have a main timer. We can now go to the code. So when green flag click, let's add it forever. Switch costume to costume number 1. Wait 1 second. Switch costume number to 2. Wait 1 second. Switch costume number to 3. Okay. Now, instead of waiting 1 second, we will wait 0.3 seconds. And then wait 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oops, we forgot to change the button. 3, 2, 1. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Stop. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wait for 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, wait for a second. Okay. So now we have our main timer ready. Let's make Frank to go to back layer. And make this to go to front layer. Okay. So now we have a little bit ready. Now let's do our main coding. Okay. So when we switch costume to costume 4, so first we need to take this out. Okay. So if costume so if costume so we need to go and find a way. So we have to find if we go to cat doll, we have to see how we can do this. So of the costume hash of sprite 1. Okay? So now as we have the costume hash of sprite 1, this will make the code very easy. Okay. So if costume hash, so you need to put the equals to costume hash of sprite 1 is equal to 4. Now we need to put an AND block around it equals to 4 and now we need to put a total of 4 ANDs. So 3, duplicate this one, and 4. So now we don't need an AND because let's put this whole thing out. So we have 4 different ANDs. Okay, great. We can put this within one AND of key right arrow pressed. And then duplicate this one. We can take out the other ANDs now and put it with the left arrow key pressed or the up arrow and the down arrow key presses. Then we'll broadcast eliminated. Eliminated. There. Okay. So now we can just duplicate this 4 times. Oops. Not the whole thing. There we go. There we go. So now we have 4 eliminated blocks. Okay. So now we have to put the when I receive eliminated. Hide. When the game starts, show. Now put it for every other costume or sprite. There we go. Okay, don't move. Okay, stop. Okay, I think you should wait 0.1 second before we say stop. 0.5 to give them that it's stop. Okay, great. Now we have to get across the whole level and don't name it timer. Name this red, white, green, light, red, white, green, light. Okay, so now we have everything that we need for the game ready. Now we just need the U win and then the head turning. Okay, so here you can put a forever. First, we will switch costume to Cat's A1. We can make it go to the center. Okay. So forever, first we'll switch costume to Cat A. Then if now we need to put these and ifs. Okay. So now as we have the costume hash variable and the timer, we'll just need to use that and we'll have the whole game ready. Put two equal blocks. So costume hash equals to 1. It's costume to Cat A. Costume hash equal to 2. Costume to Cat 2. So 4. Ah, this looks nice. Now this is what I say a perfect game. Oops, and like okay. Now we have to do the you eliminated big screen. So you eliminated. So when we get eliminated, when we receive eliminated for the background. So when we receive and when green flag click. Okay, we have to switch backdrop to backdrop 1 for the when green flag click. Now when you receive eliminated, duplicate the whole screen, change the color to be red, and type you lose. You lose. We can have a nice and a little, let's say, marker. Not marker. handwriting serif looks pixelated. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, then we can switch backdrop to backdrop 2. There we go. Almost whole game is ready. Okay, I didn't move that time. I'm safe. You lose. Whoa, that's quite a little bit bright yellow, right? Okay, so almost it's done. It's almost done. I can't believe it. Okay, so now the last thing to do is check if Frank is touching this line. So after this line, we are putting a little bit after the line. So I'm just going to be duplicating the costume of the line, putting it on sprite 3, making it go to 0, 0, hiding the main line. So hide the main line. Okay, so we need to show the main line. So this is our main line. That means right over there. Okay, we'll put a box around it like that. Make a fill of red and put inside nothing. Oops, nothing for the outline. So if we are touching this, then we win. Because we'll touch this, you win. Quite nice, right? Okay, how to code this? First, we'll need a position this will go to. So when green flag clicked, we'll put this to brown also, because I just want to say that so I just want to actually say that collision doesn't work between something that is hidden and something which is not hidden. So we have to change this to be brown, brownish. Okay, it's quite nice. We can change the position of this right here. Okay, there we go. So when green flag clicked, we want to just go to back layer. There we go. Now it's just over there, but we can't see it. Okay. So now at least we can have collision between it. Remember, collision. Okay. So now what do we need to do? Go to the Frank sprite. If touching sprite 3, then broadcast win. Click OK. And we are done with the win. Now we just need to code the win. So when I see win, we just need to win, hide, and I'll put this to every sprite. Win is there, win is there, win is there, and win is there. Now in the backdrops, when I receive win, let's make a new backdrop. So duplicate this, searching the text till you win. Ta-da! Now we need a good time to test this out, right? So backdrop to backdrop 3. There we go. Now instead of the one just for texting, I'm going to put this two. It's working. What? Oh, not fair, not fair. Okay, so it is working perfectly. You can change this one. Okay, so here we'll just need to put when I see win eliminated, we can show. Now, as you can see, when I hit it but didn't show it, it was no collision, right? So that's why it doesn't happen with things that are hiding, because some scratchers we don't want them. Okay, so now let's test it out and see if our game is working. 3, 2, 1, go. No! 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. I did show little progress. Like, it's gonna take 5 minutes for me to get there. Try he's doing some progress. 2, 1, go. Okay, now only a little bit more to go. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, only a little bit more. I'm very excited. 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, it's done. Well, we didn't touch it yet. But yeah, we didn't touch it. That's why it was showing like that. But yeah, our game is worked. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, the Punch Video Time is out.